Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the high and low ready position. My name's Dave, I'm with Intuitive Self-Protection. Today we're going to talk about how to move around with our weapon system out and in the fight. So if we were walking around in normal everyday life as a concealed carry civilian, we're going to have our weapon in our holster. But there are plenty of times when we need to move with the weapon out and ready to fight. To do that, we teach two positions. First is the high ready position, which would be pointed up in a safe direction. The second is a low ready position with the weapon pointed down in a safe direction. Both of these are based on the number one rule of firearm safety, which is never point your weapon at something you don't intend to kill or destroy. This allows us to move around, potentially through crowds, in a position where we will not have a negligent discharge and do any sort of damage. We're pointed at the ground or up at the sky in a safe direction. Now, which one do we choose and when? The situation will dictate your tactics. If we're at home in the middle of the night, our bedrooms are on the upper level, our threat is potentially downstairs, I'm probably going to use a low ready position. The people that I want to protect are above me or behind me, and the threat is down below. So I'm going to keep my weapon pointed towards the threat. If we are on the lower level and I hear something going on upstairs, well, maybe the situation is different. We want to keep the muzzle pointed away from anything that we don't want to kill or destroy, which would be our family members, our friends, innocent civilians. Weapon pointed towards the threat or in a safe direction. You can find us at Intuitive SP for more. Thank you.